Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my holiday savings with $50 in prop money. And I'm just going to say this week is going to be the start of the end of the year roundup, where I'm trying to finish as many saving challenges as I can for the end of the year so we can start next week as a fresh week for the new year. Yeah, I just made that up real quick. So, with that being said, I am going to see what I can complete. I think all I have is birthday here, and I'm going to try to complete this one. This is created by Budget with Carly, say $75. Then I am going to scratch a little bit on the Easter saving challenge. And yeah, we're going to see what we can do. Do. Like I said, yeah, this is the end of the year. It's been a great year, I could say. A lot of accomplishments, some changes throughout the way, but I am so far happy. So let's go ahead. This is for my birthday, which is in January, Capricorn season. Yes. So let's see. Let's finish this one. Okay, we got 7. I'm just gonna, let's add it up here. 7. We got 5. We got a 2. We got another 5. This is so cute. And oh, just one more? Okay, one more. Oh, a 6. Oop, I put 5 plus another dollar. Okay, $25. So let's go ahead and do 10, 15, 25. And we should have $75 for my birthday. And yes, I do buy myself gifts on my birthday. So we have 50, 65, 75. $75. Yes. Do I got a pen? I am not prepared with a pen. Let's see. So we got plus 75 here. So 180 plus 75 is 255. Okay, we got little coins to play with. Love that for me. All right, and let's go ahead and see what we can do here for Easter. We're gonna start. Should I do? Hold on, let me see. Okay, let's do this saving challenge here. This is created by Bookish Mama Budgets. Saves $50. And let's scratch one. Should I do this one? Or should I do... Ew. You know what? Hold on. Let me see. Ooh. I do have my challenges from... Hold on. Sorry, Gems. I feel like I want to do one of these New Year's ones. Let's do this one. This is... Oh, hold up, Jim. I'm sorry. I'm all over the place. I am so sorry. Cheers to a bright new year, 2026, created by Reynolds Budgets. So let's do one on here. Let's see. Let's do one. So let's do this one. Okay, that's $1. So let's do $1. Let's do another one. So 3, 1, 2, 3. That is a 4. So let's put one back and grab a 5. Should I do one more? Let's do one more. 1, 2, 3. And that is a 6. Okay, we can stop there. So that's $11. So 5 and 6. So $11 to start this one. Our cute friends, they're having fun. So let me just take that one out before I get confused. And then we'll put this one in, and then we will transfer this one over to our new binder for new binder for 2026. And so my goal for Easter is 200, and I already saved 105. So that one's a mystery save. So that is cool. So that is it for the holiday binder. Told you guys, this is like the end of the year roundup. So let's go to this binder and see how much I have left. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14. Got $14. Let's see. I think I'm just going to put the $14 into my and so the adventure begins. So this is our like traveling vacation saving challenge. This is created by Mint Dough. So yeah, what I say, I forgot that quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should I just, what I say? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. I mean, I could just color in the 14, but let's make this a little fun. Let's roll a D6 first, and then we can just have some fun with this, you know. This, because we want to color in as many of these as possible. So that is $1. We got a 4. We got a 4 right here. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, roll again. I got another 4. Don't have another 4 on this row. So let's go on down. I want to do a different color if I gotta. Should I do this color? So where is 4? Do I got a 4? Hey, I got a 4 right here. So let's do 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, $5 left. Let's roll a D4, and we got 3. Let's see, where is a 3? So let's do 3 here. And then the last $2. Let's go. Do I got a 2? Yes, I got a 2 up here. So let's do this 2. So we made that a little fun. You know what I'm saying? Perfect. All right. So that is saving for our traveling, our vacations. This one is $1,200. So I'm gonna have a couple challenges for traveling. So I'm gonna be doing this, continue to finish this one, build a bank, and I think that's it. Maybe one more, I'm not sure. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. That's perfect. And so yeah, we just gonna do this little end of the year roundup. And then next week will be all new saving challenge. Well, no, well, hopefully mostly all new saving challenges, some switcheroo in the binders. Yeah, so I'm excited about that. I have so many things in my brain that is like a long to-do list. I'm so happy next week all I have to work is Monday and Tuesday, and I'm off the rest of the week. So you guys have a blessed and Merry Christmas. And stay tuned for more and exciting things. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. It's free. It's in our budget. It is totally free. Just click that subscribe button down below and come have some fun with us. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.